Hey AskSpot community, Kimberly here, and for this video, we will be building a hyperlocal SEO content machine with AskSpot's Canvas. So if your local service business clients are struggling to get found online, this will certainly help them because we will show you how to set this up for a local client. You can use this to optimize, or you can use this to empower them to optimize their content that drives local leads, even if they're not SEO experts. So for our example, we'll imagine this client is a plumbing company called, Oak City Plumbing Pros. So let's go ahead and go to our AskSpot account. And first thing that you may want to do is click on businesses and then click on new business if you want to create a new section for this client. Let's go inside one of the businesses that I have in here. Okay, now click on create and select Canvas as a tool. And then let's give it a name. Let's say this is Oak City Plumbing SEO content. Oops, not letting me do that. SEO content, create. All right. Okay. So over here is where you can, this is where you can add the logo, maybe for your agency, for your business, or you can even add the logo of the client if you want it to be more personalized to them. So it should be ideally in 32 by 32 pixels. So I'll do a crop. Let's get this logo. Then upload. So there you go. You can also change the logo shape to be rounded if you want. Look, it looks better. It's square. And then for the title, let's just name it SEO Content Generator. And then for the call to action, I don't think that we really need to add a call to action. Let's leave this blank. And then for the custom links, so you can add up to 4 custom links to be displayed in the header. For this use case, I don't think I need the custom links. Let's head over to chat and let's make sure to enable the canvas mode. That's already checked. This is for interactive document editing. Let's enable image generation, for visuals, and also voice chat. It's optional for this, I think, but it's a good tool to have for this use case. So the headline, let's say there you go. And then for the initial welcome message, let's say, welcome to your local SEO content machine. Tell me what kind of content you need today. Okay, so that's the initial message. And then you can also enter your branding here, or maybe the client's branding if you want, or you can also disable this entirely. Let's just do that for now. So let's navigate to AI configuration and construct the system prompt. Let me just add this prompt. Okay, so you are a local SEO AI content assistant for Oak City Plumbing Pros. Your primary goal is to create informative, helpful, locally optimized blog posts. I always say to incorporate relevant keywords and then maintain a professional and focused tone. And when creating blog posts, just aim for 500 words unless specified otherwise. Let's save this. And then for the AI model, I think we have the best AI model for this. Let's see for the temperature. It's okay to set this to normal. Next, that we have set up our AI configuration, let's go to sources. Over here is where you will upload the knowledge of this canvas. This can be a little list of all their services, so you can work with your client to get a list of their services, their service area list, and then also add a good local SEO content and also a list of keywords for your SEO. Just research some keywords within that area that is higher up in the rank of SEO words. Because you can see you can upload files, web page. So this will crawl the entire website if you add the link right here, and then it will add the data to its knowledge. You've got your Q&A right here. Some frequently asked questions. You can just dictate them to the bot chatbot right here. Text integrations, which you can connect your Google Sheet or your Google Doc. And then you can also turn on auto sync so that every time you add something new to that sheet, the chatbot will still be able to digest or add those new information to its knowledge. And then we also have the RSS content. So for this, let me just upload a file right here. This is my source document. Your file is being processed. It's great. It's great. Okay. Okay, so it's been processed, just as you can see, within just seconds. And then the next step that we will do for this use case is go to channel and then add channel, and I will be adding a few question channels. Let's just say, what's a good topic for blog post this week? Okay. And then let's leave this empty since we want AI to generate a response for us. And create. Then maybe let's add another Q&A. How do I make my content more local? There we go. I think this looks okay. And another one for quick tips. Can you provide quick tips on SEO and create? All right, so let's save the changes. Now that we've set up our FAQ channel, I am also thinking that maybe we can set up a flow channel, because sometimes your client might have a more complex question regarding SEO that's better to be handled by your agency. So we can create a flow for that and add it to this canvas. So we will do that by pre-creating it here on the flow builder. So let's just do it right now. Plumbing Pros. There you go. Create a new flow, and you'll be redirected to this empty landing to this empty page. I will just drag down this message block and then add some text. There you go. And save. Next, maybe we will add a question channel. So we will ask for their name. Let me just delete this. We don't need that. So let's just search for the name. And then let's add another question, which is, what is your email? And save. And then let's ask for them to provide us what further questions or SEO concern they have. To help. There you go, and save that. Okay, so now, once you've collected all this tree, you can even set up a webhook that will send over to an external system that can notify you each time someone has gone through this flow, providing their name and email and their concern. Using a webhook, you will be able to set that up. And then let's also add an AI mode. So this means the conversation or the flow will return to AI. Let me just add a message here, right there, and save. All right, so we have finished setting up the flow. Now, let's save this and we can add it to our canvas. As you can see here, there are also other powerful tools that we have for the flow builder. You also have an event scheduler block if you want them to be able to schedule an event directly from the canvas. You can use this. You can use the form block to collect leads data. You can set up a gallery of images. So there's a lot to use in here. Make sure to explore that too. and maybe there's something that you can use for the canvas that you are creating. So let's go back to our canvas and add that flow inside. Okay, click on the canvas, and then let's go to channels and click add channel. Now, as you can see, you have this flow channel right here, and this is where you can add the flow that we just created earlier. For the title, let's just put request advanced SEO help, and then let's select the flow, plumbing pros, there you go, and let's click create. Okay, so let's view the canvas that we have created. There you go. So you can see here, this is how it was set up. You can see the channels that we added right here. And when I click on request advanced SEO help, it will put me through the entire flow that we just did earlier. So let me just try this. There we go. So that's the entire flow. And then they can just proceed chatting with the AI after they've gone through the flow. So let's just ask. There you go. So here's the blog post. You can even use the Canvas tool to be able to edit output. So let's just ask. There you go. It's creating the output based on what we prompted or what we asked. Now it is time to share this with your client. So what you can do is go ahead and click on share, and then go to code, and this is where you can provide the direct link to this canvas, or you can even use this embed code to embed this directly into a page. Just copy this code and feel free to add it to a landing page. That's it for this video. By setting up this hyper local SEO content machine with a flow for expert help, your offering provides a great value by getting the clients content geared towards their service areas, instant FAQs for common queries regarding SEO. You're providing a tool and an expert backup, and also there's some upsell opportunities right there. The flow that we added, the advanced SEO help flow that we added on the channels right here, request advanced SEO help. It's a natural lead generator for your higher tier services. So go ahead and build one for yourself or for your agency and help your local service business clients with their local search results. With the new Canvas here in AskSpot, it's possible to build some powerful tailored content generation and support tools. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.